Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren. Today we're going to be organizing some of our baby clothes. We're going to be doing everything that is 12 months and up so that we can go ahead and get those out of the way and not in the way of everything else. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is all of her clothes and stuff. So today we're just going to be putting up anything that's like 12 months and older. So this is our dresser. We got it off of Facebook Marketplace for like $200. I just love this little like detail right here. Right now in here we're just keeping like books. We don't have anything in the drawers right now. Actually, I think I have hangers in here just until I actually like hang up her clothes. I think in one of these bottom ones I'm going to put like 12 months and anything above 12 months. I'm not going to worry about washing any of those right now because I feel like it's kind of pointless. And the rest I will worry about washing a different day probably. Okay, so this little pile is 12 months, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to work on that first. I'm pretty sure all of this is either thrifted or gifted. Look at these little pants. I'm not exactly sure how I want to do everything. And I don't have like drawer dividers or anything at the moment. So I'm kind of just winging it how I'm going to be doing everything. If I get drawer dividers like enough later on, then I might redo this. Especially like at the baby shower because I haven't had that yet. Like dresses and stuff. I hate folding, but like I'm not going to need this anytime soon. So my best thing is to just go ahead and fold it and put it up. We're really just winging it right now. But I'll probably put like all the dresses together, pants, which I'll be honest, she does not have a ton of pants at all. That is one thing that I have not been buying is pants. Stuff like this, how freaking adorable. I cannot resist stuff like this. Make sure all the little like stickers and tags are off. There's a shirt in here that matches these. This goes together. Isn't this like the cutest little outfit? I just thought that it was so cute. I'm also gonna need to figure out how to put like sets together because I really don't know. And like stuff like this, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a dress or a top. Probably for 12 months this would be a top, right? Maybe? I really don't know. Okay, see, this is a dress with little bloopers. Dresses like this, I kind of feel like need to be hung up because this is like a really nice dress. But I'll see if I can like fold it and feel good about it. Maybe. Like this is like a little bubble, I think. I have no idea how to fold this to put this up. I don't know. It's cute though. This pile is over 12 months. Stuff like this, I'm also not really sure how to fold. I guess just like that. And then one little swimsuit that I hope she's able to wear next year because this is adorable. My friend gave this to me and it still has a tag on it, so her baby never wore it. But I think it is the cutest little thing. So I think I'm just gonna try to fit all of it in one drawer, just so that I have all the other drawers for other things, such as like swaddles, blankets, sheets, all that good stuff. So we're gonna try to fit everything in this drawer. And then if I end up needing this drawer later on down the road, I'll figure out something else to do with these because they're not really all that important right now. So we're just gonna try to fit everything in here. And I feel like we probably can. Like, there's still a good bit of space in here, and these clothes are all pretty small, so that shouldn't be a big deal. And it doesn't even have to be too organized because I'm gonna have to take these out and wash them anyways later on, so that's really not a big deal. Although it's hard for me not to just want to go ahead and fold everything and make it look nice. I don't know, I just feel like it needs to for absolutely no reason. Besides this one thing that I still never figured out how to fold, so that's just gonna be stuffed up back in here. All right, so this is a pretty stuffed drawer. This is all 12 months and older, so yeah, I think we did good for this. And it shuts nicely. And we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. Plus, I'm gonna end up taking the books out of this because we're getting a bookshelf, so that's gonna be used for something else later on. Don't know what yet though. That is pretty good. I feel like we still have a good bit of space. I can go ahead and show y'all her wardrobe though. This is the wardrobe. We had to take the top off so that it would fit through the door. My husband and my dad moved this in here, and I felt bad for them having to do that. My papa actually made this for me when I was a baby, and unfortunately he is no longer around. But I thought it would be nice to have this in here, especially since he made it for me. Oh yeah, and I have these little shoes in here that I haven't taken the tags off or anything yet. But we have a rack up there, little shelf and a rack there, plus a drawer there. So a good amount of space in here that's gonna be for a lot of what she's gonna be wearing. I'm thinking about her like onesies and sleepers though. I may end up putting in one of the drawers at the top. Not 100% sure yet, but we'll figure that out as we go. And also, I got this rocking chair at a thrift store for $50. It's like a swivel one too. Like, I am so proud of that find. So the rest of the clothes I'm going to wash before I put up. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get to that. The top still needs to be put on that wardrobe, and I would like that to be done before I start hanging clothes up in there. I don't know if I wanna wait till my baby shower or not. My baby shower is still 3.5 weeks away, and I'm currently like 29.5 weeks. So, and I'm like dying to get things done. I may not wait till my baby shower to do all that. I don't know, but I also don't have hangers, and I'm hoping to get hangers at the baby shower. I have a few, but not a ton. And there's a lot I'm just hoping to get at my baby shower, so I don't want to do too much until then. Plus, I'll probably get clothes at the baby shower. It doesn't matter how many loads of laundry I do. I'll probably wash them in like size categories. Just to make things easier. And I'll do videos of like all of that, and I'll do videos of like pretty much getting everything else together too. I also want to do a video of like what I'm putting on my registry, just so you guys can get an idea. And then I'll do like a baby registry haul probably, and then we can see like how many people actually buy off the registry. I think that'll be fun. Ignore my dogs barking in the background. I guess that is going to be it for this video. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but that's just a little bit to get things started. And I don't know, I just like to video things as I get them done. It helps get me motivated and helps make sure I do them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!